Okay, so the time has finally come. TikTok on the PC now has an edit profile button. Lots of people have been asking for this, and in this video I just want to introduce you to this new TikTok feature because I like to cover all the latest features on TikTok. Now all you need to do to edit your profile on TikTok on your PC, this will work on PC, Windows and Mac. So just go to tiktok.com and then log in. Then when you're on the home page, just go to the top right hand corner, hover over your profile icon and then click on view profile. That's going to load up your profile, and right here, if I zoom it in real quick, you can see it says edit profile. Now all you need to do to edit it, now it is a little bit limited, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it right now, and the things you can change are your profile photo, your username, your name and your bio. Those are the things you're able to change. Now I don't see an option here to add your social links like your YouTube or your Instagram, so maybe that's coming in the future. But one of the ones that people are going to be making use of the most is the profile photo, the ability to change your profile photo on the desktop version of TikTok. Now we'll be doing a video on that right now after this video, so I'll link that in the description down below if you want to go ahead and watch that. So that is the new edit profile option on the TikTok for the PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.